Never miss an employee birthday/work anniversary. How do you, as an HR rep, currently keep track of birthdays, anniversaries, and other employee events? If you are using an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, or notes on a calendar, you're probably spending too much time and expending too much effort to keep track of all of those dates and the parties, congratulations, presents, and other things that go along with these events. A tool like PlanMyLeave.com can make your life so much easier. Why is it important to remember employee birthdays and anniversaries? These events are more than just an excuse to eat cake, though, let's face it, that's probably why most people show up to office birthday and anniversary events. They keep office morale high and show employees that the business is concerned about and wants to recognize them. They keep employees happy, and happy employees work harder. That said, forgetting a birthday or anniversary can be devastating to morale, especially if other employees' birthdays/work anniversaries have been recognized. How does PlanMyLeave help? PlanMyLeave.com is a tool that doesn't just help you remember birthdays and anniversaries, it helps you keep track of the tasks that go along with recognizing those events. Say, for example, that you want to order a chocolate cake for James in accounting and his birthday is in 3 months. Right now is far too early to order that cake, but even if his birthday is on your calendar, you might not remember that you wanted to order a cake until far too late. PlanMyLeave.com allows you to set up automated reminders not just for birthdays and anniversaries, but also for arranging a party 2 weeks before, ordering the cake a week before, and buying a gift the day before. You'll always know well in advance when an event is coming up and what tasks you need to do to make it special for that employee. Reminders for these tasks are automatic, you don't have to remember to do them, PlanMyLeave.com will remember for you. An Excel spreadsheet just can't do that. And while some online calendars will remind you the day of that it is so-and-so's birthday or the 15th anniversary with the company, they can't remind you to order an ice cream cake or make sure you have the conference room reserved for a party at lunch. Only PlanMyLeave.com can do that. You just input the birthdays, set up the reminders, and let the tool take care of reminding you at the perfect time.